Hello and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to make falafel curry. I'm going to make baked falafel, but you can make your way. So let's begin. To prepare the falafel balls, I'm going to use garbanzo beans, chickpeas already boiled, garlic, onion, red pepper flakes. You can use black pepper if you desire, cilantro, coriander leaves, salt, and ground cumin. This is ground almond, also known as almond meal these days, and I'm going to use as needed to get the texture and the perfect mixture to shape the balls. You may or may not need binder for this recipe. If you don't have almond meal on hand, you can also use roasted oatmeal, or something that can give good binding to the balls. Since I'm going to bake falafel and not fry, I start with boiled chickpeas instead of dry soaked chickpeas, garbanzo beans basically. Now first I'm going to chop few ingredients. So here I have the chopper. So into the cup here I'm going to add garlic cloves, roughly chopped onion, and cilantro, coriander leaves. And first I'm going to chop all these ingredients and ready to chop. Awesome, look at that. Now I'm going to add rest of the ingredients. Look at this, it chops the ingredients really even. I just love it, and that's how I want. I don't want like a paste. I want everything coarse. So ready to add chickpeas, salt. Add salt as needed. I boil chickpeas with salt, so I just add a little amount of salt here. Red pepper flakes and ground cumin. So what this is going to do for me now is chop and mix everything at the same time. So let's start again. Perfect. Alright, so as you can see, I got nice mixture, perfect coarse mixture, exactly the way I want. It looks like I don't need any kind of binding. As you can see, the mixture looks perfect and makes perfect balls. But for more nutrition, I always love to add almond meals in my recipes. So I'm just going to mix it and start making the balls like so. Ready to bake. You can bake now balls into the oven, or you can bake into the panyaram pan onto the stove top, or you can use your counter toaster oven. So however you like, you can bake these balls now. I'm going to use my baby cake pops. Alright, so green signal is on now, so carefully open and grease each and every hole with a little oil. Using the brush, spread oil and onto the top one as well, and place the ball inside the hole. As you can hear the sizzling sound, they're gonna bake the balls nicely. Cover And now I'm going to prepare the gravy. To prepare the gravy, here I have roughly chopped onion, tomato, and here I have ginger garlic. Out of spice box, I'll be using red chili powder, ground coriander cumin, and turmeric powder, haldi, and here I have cumin seeds, and here I have garam masala. On a medium to high heat, heat up about a tablespoon of oil. When the oil is hot enough, add cumin seeds, add onion, turmeric powder, haldi, add salt, ginger garlic, give it a stir again, coriander cumin powder, dhania jeera powder, red chili powder, lal mirch, stir again, add tomato, add water, and keep cooking onion and tomato together now until tomato is cooked well. Cover and let it cook. Let's check. Cooking nice. I'm going to add garam masala at this time. Give it a stir. Tomato looks mushy, so this is the perfect time to puree. And I'm just simply going to use hand blender to puree this mixture. I simply love this, my 3-in-1 Wawa blender chopper these days. Earlier I used to chop all the ingredients, and now I'm going to make the puree using this different attachment, the hand blender attachment. Alright, so look at this nice creamy gravy ready. Alright, look at the balls, looks so perfect. If you don't want this border, you can just bake the falafel open. The gravy is ready, falafel is ready, and ready to prepare the curry. Here I have falafel into the plate and ready to pour the gravy on top of it. Look at this, how yummy it looks. Garnish with coriander leaves. Smells amazing, and look at the curry bowl. I hope you enjoyed watching me making falafel curry. You can serve this curry with now rice or naan or parathas even. Please do like and comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for new recipe videos every week. And also please do visit my website bhavnaskitchen.com for new recipe tips, tricks and ideas in the kitchen. Thank you for watching.